What is good, Dozy Gang? Welcome back to another banger video. I got something real special for y'all today, and as y'all can tell by the title, I'm finna give y'all some tips, some of the ingredients y'all will need to get y'all some capital, some of that, hold on, some blue faces so y'all can start reselling in 2022. Let's get it. Now, before we get into this video, the reason why I'm dropping this video is because you guys straight up went bonkers on the last video, or on the last reselling video. I'm gonna pop that up right here, and also in the top, you know, in the top corner or something like that. You guys went bonkers on that, and I basically did like all the stuff that you would kind of need. I left out a lot of stuff. I didn't, you know, I gave you all a lot of information and I left out a lot of information. So what I'm gonna do now is basically give you guys videos step by step that you will need to start being a reseller. Now y'all might be wondering, why should I listen to you? You feel me? I'm gonna put up some pictures of some bulk buys I did, bulk sales I did, some money, reselling shoes, all that. I'm gonna be popping them up. They're gonna be pop all over. Yeah, so y'all can see I'm really a reseller and I really do this. I made, some bread off of this, and I consider it a well-growing business that I've planned that anybody can do. All right, step one. Why is capital so important? The reason why I put this is because capital is a 50-50 type of thing. You could have all the money in the world, but if you don't put forth that effort into your business, it's not gonna grow. You feel me? It's gonna be so stale. It's gonna be at one point, it's literally gonna be this, y'all. But let's say you have zero income, but every single day you're doing something to make a sale, get viewers, do something. It's just gonna be like this every single day. And even though you started off with zero, you're progressing every single day, other than starting off with all the money in the world and not doing anything just because you have the money. So that's why I said money is important, but at the same time, it's not. It's like a 50-50. You have to have the money, and then you also have to put in the work. Some people do have the money and get lucky, but a lot of the times, those businesses don't succeed like other people's businesses that really get it out the mud and keep it pushing. All right, so number two, a job, a J-O-B, a 9 to 5. Now this is Chipotle, Chick-fil-A, USPS, FedEx, whatever, whatever you consider a 9 to 5, whatever gets you guys some extra money. Now the reason why I put this is because almost anybody can do it. COVID, all the places need workers right now, so it is extremely easy to get a job right now in the conditions that the world is in. So with that being said, y'all go fill out y'all some job applications, get a bag. They're 15 an hour, 30 an hour. Well, if you get a job for 30 an hour, let me know where you work, because I'll work there too. But 15 an hour, 20 an hour, 19 an hour is definitely some money to be made doing some job hustling. Don't think that just because you got a job it's corny. Don't listen to anybody like that, because at the end of the day, you're chasing that chicken, you're chasing that bag to get to where you want to be, and that's to start a brand, either a clothing brand, reselling brand, whatever type of brand. So yeah, number two, we got DoorDash. Now DoorDash, I believe in my, where I live, you do have to be 18 plus, I believe. So make sure y'all do some of that research to see how old do you have to be to do DoorDash in your area. Straight up a great job, a great way to make not passive income, but to make income. I'm telling y'all, I did DoorDash. I still do DoorDash, literally $100 a day, $50 a day. I would get $100, $200, $1,200 a month off of this side hustle. Great thing, and I'm mixing that in with botting, doing this. It's a great way to make some extra money on the side. Number three, I got do the chores around your house. Now that's not only just washing dishes, doing your dirty clothes, you feel me? Y'all can start mowing the lawn. If it's winter where you at, snowing, you can start shoveling. It's a whole bunch of stuff you guys can do. Y'all could rake people's yards. This whole bunch of stuff you can do around the community. Pick up trash. I don't know, anything y'all could do to get some extra chicken. Number four, now this is another thing that I really don't know the exact age you have to be, but get a small loan. Now this can be a small loan from a bank or actual friend or family, you feel me? Now this is getting serious. Now if you're trying to get a loan from a friend or family or a bank, make sure you guys have a game plan on what you're doing, because there's nothing worse than having to owe somebody when you don't have no income, you're failing. So make sure you guys have a plan before you start getting loans from a bank, family, or anybody like that. Now this is the exact same thing I just said. Get a loan and ask for friends. You can ask your dad, your mom, just whatever, for $20. Like, and this is a step down from a loan, I would say, because think about it, y'all. If you asked, let's say you have 10 people in your family, ask them for $40, $50. That's $1,000. I think that's $1,000. That I think it's $1,000. I don't know off the top of my head or something. It's a good amount. It's a good amount though. So just ask $10 for $50. 10 people for $50, and you already starting, getting to where you need to be to start reselling. Number 6, this is something that I did personally and that some people should do if you have a lot of unused stuff. Sell all of that stuff, that computer, that notebook, them clothes, them OJs, all of that, y'all. Sell that, y'all. Gaming console. Stop playing the game for a little bit. Sell y'all gaming console. Get y'all some money to where y'all could, go buy your game after you have, your business fluctuating, you have all that going up, you feel me? After you get all that, your business and all that, then get a game. Then start, having fun and traveling and stuff like that. But for right now, y'all need to save your money. Watch what you eat. I'm telling y'all, when I started reselling, I was literally going to Holiday, eating $2 sandwiches. Like literally, y'all, like I'm talking about I was in grind mode. You guys need to change y'all habits. Stop eating that Red Lobster every single day. Minimize what you're eating. Minimize what you're spending for on your clothes, on your, food. Like, be cheap for a little bit until you could go get you a 30-ounce steak or something like that. So just live within your means since y'all want to start this brand. Or, I mean, not even a brand, whatever y'all trying to do your business. Number 7, now this is something that I should definitely look into that I haven't so far, but I also have a great credit score. Let me know if y'all need some credit score tips. This is get a credit card. Now, this is kind of like the loan, but it's a little bit different. Yeah, because both ways you can, gain credit. So yeah, I don't know. I think it's the same, but I don't know. But the thing about the credit card is if you have a limit of like 400, 500, whatever, I don't really know the exact amount or anything like that. Look into the details. You have to spend like a certain amount. So like if it's 400, I don't think you can spend over 300 or something like that. Don't take what I'm saying serious. Make sure y'all go do y'all research so y'all ain't messing up y'all credit or future or anything like that. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much all the tips I would really say that is coming straight to my mind right now. If y'all have any more tips, make sure y'all drop them in the comments to help each other. You feel me? I need some more tips to make some more passive income, more income. And actually, I do got a couple more tips. Now, this is some added tips, additional tips, plus to the video, whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to name a couple things. Turo, Airbnb, babysit people kids, walk people's dogs, play video games for money, aka player lounge. Yeah, and then this is just some tips like I was really thinking of right now that is also some ways to get extra income. And also, I almost forgot, exactly with the DoorDash, you guys can do Lyft, Uber, Grubhub, all that, Make sure you guys look at the age requirements, but you guys could do a lot of stuff. In today's day and age, you can literally make money online looking at surveys. So make sure y'all go get y'all some chicken. Stop playing around and start that business in 2022. Now, like I said, before we wrap up this video, like I said, y'all, it's a 50-50 rule. You can't have all the money in the world and not want to put in the work. And you also can't have $0 and not want to put in the work. You have to have the money and the hustle. If you don't have the money, you have to have that savage in you, that work in you to go get it. Now, if you do have the money, just because you have the money, that don't mean you got to play around and not do anything with your business. You also have to hustle. It's a 50-50 thing, like I said. So don't be one of those that, don't start your business because you don't have time. You always have time. So make sure y'all go start that business right now, today. There's some stuff that you guys can do to start getting that business started today. All right, y'all, and before we end today's video, make sure y'all stay tuned because I'm gonna be dropping some more parts, like where to buy shoes, where to sell them, you know, how to find steals, how to find bulk deals and all that. So if y'all like the sound of any of that, make sure y'all hit that like, comment, subscribe button, put on that post notifications so y'all don't miss out on a post. And if y'all really want them, I'm gonna do them like one every 2 to 3 days. But yeah, just let me know so y'all can start reselling, start that business in 2022. Let's get this money, y'all. Let's get this.